Randy, tell me your number, please.
The phone number for West Haven is 585-7711. Can get the boss on this number, 568-5194. My name is Carlita Lewis. My phone number is 401-0046. We so much appreciate you guys. Whatever you guys have, we appreciate it.
So how many children disabled you said?
We have 98 disabled children there.
And when did you start?
I started there from my house, get burned down, and I asked for help for work there, and I'm working there.
Why are you working there?
I'm working there as a caregiver.
Why?
Because of the good grace of those children. I try to do the best for the children. Mm-hmm. There are children there, which is 26-year-old wearing newborn pampers. Mm-hmm. Yes.
So why does the government help?
Okay, the government only responds for the children. It is a charity owned.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is something to your heart.
To my heart.
What's your name again?
My name is Carlita Lewis.
West Haven Children Home for the Disabled.
Right.
And what do they need most?
We need pampers, we need clothes, shoes. Right now, sometimes, as I said, there's no light there. Even of the current, we didn't have the storm or not, sometimes at 5 days we don't have any light there. Mm-hmm. So we caregiver have to use flashlight for the children.
So you come around for donation?
We come around for donation, for help. For
what
children.
do you do with the donation?
We put it in the bank, and when it's sum up, we get the generator. We're looking for a generator for the home.
So you want a generator?
For the home.
So even if people buy a generator and bring it to you guys?
Yes.
So they could come from the state and visit you?
Yes. Yes, no problem. We really appreciate it.
We want your number too.
My number is 401-0046. And I am doing this because from my heart. Yeah. Right now, I lose a son 3 weeks ago. Mm-hmm. Gunman shoot him in his ground.
How old was he?
He was 23 years old. He'll be 24 this October coming. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. But I do this for because of my heart. And I have children. I have 3 children. 2 boy, 1 girl. 2 boy, 1 girl. Mm-hmm. And the first son died. But not because he died. I'm going to give up on West Haven children.
Yeah.
I'll still be there for them.
Yeah, give me
sometimes I cry. Mm-hmm. To know that my child died. Mm-hmm. But God will help me. I know He will.
You see this channel, Jamaica Good Life? We're Jamaica Good Life. We help a lot of people. You see, my fans, my viewers, they're going to call you. People going to come down just to meet you. You see, there's women out there in the world that love to give. And when they don't give, they don't feel good. So, I don't know how she just show up, so. Eh? But we love you. I'm sorry about your son. All right? So, you have to know, may I come check you?
Yes.
I'm a man, I have a lot of strength. I have to hug you because you're a mother. I'm sorry about your son.
Yes.
But people, you see that lady, I want to know to take out everything and take care of for me.
Thank you.
Because you know, say, I don't do a lot of charity, but this one is so real. So I want to take out all the support when I come off of the plane. I want them to come see you.
Yes.
And I don't want them to talk about Jesus, I want them walk it.
Yes.
Because it seems like you are walk it.
Yes.
You've been walking, you see, me's not a Christian, me's a walking kind of guy. Me not do the talking, you're a walking Christian, right?
Yes.
So we love you.
Yes, thank you.
And I don't know how it work out, sir.
Yes.
But this a video, yeah, them I go call you. Say your number slow with the 876. Say it slow for me.
876-401-0046.
You believe in a God?
I believe in God.
You look like you really believe in a God.
Yes, I believe in God.
Because if you never believe in a God, how this I go reach out there? Eh? You know how much people are going to come down? People are bad right now? No? You know some people are bad. Them just did look for somebody with genuine, because enough people in Jamaica don't, not genuine. So they want to come to see the children. So me, I go come to see the children. Yes. So we can have something happening in Mobay. Yes. Because they kind of stop the charity because certain people. Yes. But if I feed the children, yes. If I phone the group, I'll be there. Yes. And West Haven.
We're going to have a concert up there the 16th of October next month.
I'll be there.
Yes, 16th of October.
West Haven. You guys don't even have a website, right?
Yes, I think I have a website. To be honest, you can call this number and find out the website.
What's the number
you can
again?
call on Instagram 568 5194. That's Mr. Grant number.
Yeah.
And you can call this number for the supervisor.
Yeah.
585 7711.
Good, real
Right.
thing happen.
Right.
The other day I was sitting down and I said, me need to do something on my bay. Because I see them do book pack, charity and everything all over the place. And I said to myself, you know what? I don't want to get into this no more but I love you. God send you.
Yes.
We're going to put it out. We'll see what God do after this.
Yes, sir.
Just be strong.
Yes, sir, I will.
All right?
Yes,
Peace
sir.
and love. All right? Just stay strong.
Okay, sir.
People, take care of me. Please, if you don't do nothing in your life, take care because you do the work.
Yes, thank you.
Love you. Miss, come see you.
Yeah, man.
Come have your number.
All right.
Take care.